All right, guys, we got a 1984 BMW 318i. When was the last time you guys seen a 318i? Long time. They're becoming rarer and rarer by the minute. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory manifold. Then we put an aftermarket high flow cat there, 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. He brought his own FLOWMASTER Super 10. We put it on for him and supplied them with a dual tip out the back to complete the look. As you guys can see, in hangers and hardware, of course. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, sounds pretty good. And it's standard, guys, too. Again? Hell yeah, I like it. Believe it or not, guys, I've had over 10 of these cars in the past. Here's sound decibels again. 107. Again. That sounds so mean, I like it. What do you think? Better, huh? BMW 318i. FLOWMASTER Super 10 high flow cat.